Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking requirements and getting the plugin active. First, confirm your WordPress and PHP meet the plugin minimums so features run reliably. Once done, install via plugins, add new, activate, and open the basic settings screen. Configure time zone, date format, and default event duration now. These influence display and reminders. Next, create 3 pages: calendar view, event submission, and a confirmation page. Link them in the plugin settings so routing is immediate and consistent. Now you build the core: event structure, visual output, and access control. Define event types, categories, and custom fields so each entry captures necessary data. That reduces edits later. Then choose calendar views: month, week, and list. Place the plugin shortcode on the calendar page and preview to confirm spacing and responsive behavior. Finally, set user role permissions and submission approval rules, and edit email templates so creators and admins receive clear, branded notifications when events are added or changed. Finish by publishing test events and walking through the live flow as a user. Check time zone accuracy, recurring event behavior, and responsiveness on phone and tablet. Make adjustments in settings if layouts break. If you need external sync, integrate Google Calendar or a payment/ticketing add-on and test transactions. If something fails, clear site and browser cache, inspect the console for errors, and deactivate potential conflicting plugins. This quick triage resolves most issues and gets your calendar back online fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.